It appears that no one will be able to stop them from going bankrupt. However, Shiba Inu has a fantastic opportunity here. Robinhood took notice of it as well. They are speculating that we will soon witness something monumental. And for that, I'm very optimistic. However, what is happening? Why should we be happy anyway? Okay, allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. This morning, our whales were involved in a wild incident. There has recently been an astonishing 30,000% decrease in whale net flows in Shiba Inu. This significant decline in the net flow of large holders indicates that major players in the Shiba Inu market may be scaling back, per data from Intofblock. An increase in net flows typically denotes accumulation, i.e., whales are making purchases. But a drop like this, well, it might suggest these major holders are beginning to sell or decreasing their stakes. But wait, how is that even possible? And why is it happening? Well, market mood plays a significant impact here. When the general crypto market confronts uncertainty, or when prices achieve peaks, significant holders could desire to lock in their profits before the next downturn. Profit-taking is another normal aspect of the cycle. It's simply how the game is played. The whales could be transferring their capital into other assets, or just cashed out to wait for another chance. But this doesn't always equal doom and gloom for Shiba Inu. If history has taught us anything, these types of pullbacks may often generate opportunities for smaller investors to come in, or even for whales to re-enter at a cheaper price point. With the turbulent market patterns recently, Shiba Inu might potentially see a recovery if new demand comes in, particularly with more traders wanting to purchase at the downturn. And I will shortly explain why this tremendous whale discharge is not a terrible thing. That's only the tip of the iceberg for Shiba Inu, since the news doesn't end there. It looks that the conventional economy of the US is going down as we know it. Recently, there was quite a commotion about a tweet. The United States is insolvent. They now have to pay an astounding $3 billion in interest costs per day. With the US economy under such intense financial strain, international markets may be affected. Ironically, Shiba Inu and the larger cryptocurrency market may benefit from this type of instability. People tend to look for alternate repositories of value when established financial institutions begin to falter. In these times of economic instability, cryptocurrencies usually flourish. This is nothing new. An increasing number of investors are turning to cryptocurrencies as a safe haven or hedge when they lose faith in government-backed assets or fiat money. In this instance, the US paying billions of dollars in interest each day raises the possibility of inflation, instability, and growing debt issues. Consequently, investors may shift their focus from conventional investments, such as equities or bonds, to more speculative, high-yield assets like cryptocurrency. As traders attempt to diversify away from deteriorating financial systems, Shiba Inu may gain from this change. Additionally, Shiba Inus are appealing to retail investors and those who like to participate in the market without placing excessive bets due to their accessibility and affordability. Thus, even if the US economy's collapse sounds dire for established markets, it may really be the ideal environment for Shiba Inu to flourish as more individuals turn to decentralized digital assets for safety. And now that it's occurring, there's also a widespread belief that cryptocurrency will do well today regardless of the results of the US election. Many individuals think that regardless of the outcome of the presidential election, the crypto market might rise. This is due to the fact that elections typically trigger changes in the way individuals allocate their finances. Both candidates have shown interest in the cryptocurrency market as they advance their campaigns and proposals. Recently, Kamala Harris agreed to accept Shiba Inu as funding for her political campaign. This action is noteworthy because it demonstrates how politicians from the mainstream are beginning to interact more directly with cryptocurrencies. Additionally, it may indicate to investors that cryptocurrencies are becoming more reputable and well-known. However, Donald Trump has put forward new rules that can have a favorable effect on the cryptocurrency industry. These suggestions might loosen regulations or provide incentives for cryptocurrency investments, which would improve the climate for digital assets. These kinds of actions by politicians often lead to a spike in interest and investment in the cryptocurrency market. As people prepare for these changes and recognize the possible advantages, they may begin to transfer their assets into cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu and other digital assets may benefit greatly from the elections if there is an increase in the crypto market, whether via direct engagement or favorable rules. Furthermore, a different tweet from CryptoRover provides us with a graphic representation of the performance of cryptocurrencies in past presidential elections. These historical graphs show us patterns and trends that may be useful in predicting the future course of cryptocurrency. Presidential elections have historically sometimes caused significant changes in the cryptocurrency market. Historical statistics may indicate that cryptocurrency values either saw a substantial increase or decrease during previous election years. Money, as investors shifted their holdings in response to changing policies and election results. There are hints regarding potential future developments in this historical environment. It becomes sense to assume that this election would have a similar impact if prior elections showed gains in cryptocurrency. The candidates' positions on cryptocurrencies may have investors preparing for possible profits or responding to them, which might increase interest in and investment in the crypto market. In summary, it seems that more individuals will probably start investing in cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Shiba Inu are fascinating. It seems that it now positions itself to get the greatest advantage. However, how are they doing that? Well, something very unexpected occurred just now. On X, Robinhood devoted a whole thread to discussing Shiba Inu. This is unexpected since Robinhood typically doesn't place as much emphasis on any one cryptocurrency. Many people are questioning their decision to spotlight Shiba Inu all of a sudden. Many are wondering why Robinhood would highlight it to this extent at this point. Does this imply that they are preparing a major Shiba Inu project? Perhaps they want to generate greater interest in it, or they are seeing fresh prospects. For whatever reason, this change has sparked a lot of speculation and worries about what it may imply for Shiba Inu going forward and their place on the site. One of the most well-known posts on cryptocurrency is called Let's Talk Shiba Inu. It gives a quick rundown of Shiba Inu's introduction and community-driven success. The thread on Robinhood explores the history and accomplishments of the Shiba Inu from its introduction to the market. Among the most notable tales told is the amazing ascent of the Shiba Inu. The astonishing success of Shiba Inu, despite early mistrust, is a monument to their tenacity and the strength of their community. Shiba Inu is well positioned to profit from the current surge of interest and investment in the cryptocurrency industry because of its history of surprising successes and great performance. If that doesn't seem comforting enough, wait a moment, there are still more factors to take into account. Regarding Shiba Inu's potential for long-term development, analysts are still optimistic. Prominent trader Dexter has made a fascinating forecast. Despite the difficulties facing the market right now, Shiba Inu may achieve its long-term goal of 3 zeros. This is 10 times the current price, for perspective. The cryptocurrency market has been trending upwards this week for a number of days. However, Shiba Inu hasn't yet completely benefited from the upward momentum. With a market valuation of more than $7 billion, Shiba Inu is still a major player in the industry. Shiba Inu is currently declining, but Dexter pointed out that the currency is getting close to a crucial support area. Shiba Inu must maintain this support level and advance toward the resistance trend line in order to resume its upward trajectory. According to Dexter's observations, the Shiba Inu has a significant potential for long-term development despite its short-term difficulties, especially if it can stabilize and improve from where it is now. The intriguing thing about the recent declines in Shiba Inu prices is that they may be the precursor to larger increases in the road. A number of circumstances are coming together to propel Shiba Inu to unprecedented heights. Although the U.S. economy's current problems may appear alarming, they also provide chances for cryptocurrencies to flourish. Regardless of the outcome of the current U.S. elections, positive changes are anticipated for the cryptocurrency sector. Furthermore, it is quite unlikely that Robinhood wrote a whole piece on Shiba Inu by accident. Rather, it is likely a sign of big things to come. With these factors at work, Shiba Inu is well positioned to take advantage of changes in the market as well as continued interest to potentially see significant growth in the near future. However, what are your thoughts about that? I look forward to reading your thoughts in the comments section below.